Hi, my name is Aina Shafina Binti Shafie and my matric number is 204568. Today I would like to present to you about COLOBOMA iris. Beauty is in the eye of beholder, but what if you have a bizarre looking eyes? Do you still be proud of it? This rare case is faced in 0.5 to 7.5 per 10,000 of birth, which the babies suffer from COLOBOMA iris. COLOBOMA iris is a developmental defect of the eye and results from abnormal or incomplete fusion of the optic feature. The defect can affect a patient's eyes including iris, cornea, lens, ciliary body, choroid, retina, and optic nerves of one or both eyes. COLOBOMA iris is caused by a genetic mutation, in which it is a part of base substitution mutation. In specific, this case is a missense mutation where there are changes in the first or second base of the DNA and lead to significant changes in the protein. A study was made in a large Chinese family with both well-characterized iris COLOBOMA in the lower papillary margin. The scientists examined all of the known DNA and genes which are suspected to be related with COLOBOMA. They identified a change in ABCB6 gene at position 811 in which there is an alteration of protein that leads to production of valine instead of leucine. At this point, nitrogenous-based cytosine is substituted by guanine and leads to change when translation occurs. The next case, the scientists observed a change result from mutation in which occurs in position 57, and the mutation leads to production of alanine instead of threonine. In this case, the nitrogenous-based guanine is substituted by adenine. The scientists then conclude that mutation in ABCB6 gene may lead to COLOBOMA iris. The patients in which diagnosed with COLOBOMA iris generally does not suffer from vision loss, but if the defect of COLOBOMA iris is involving the retina, there is a high percentage in which some parts of the visual field cannot be seen by the patients. A study was made to report the modification of sewing machine technique for iris dialysis repair (MSMT), in which could be useful in managing the defect of COLOBOMA iris. The technique was first presented in Singapore in 2013. 3 patients which suffer from COLOBOMA iris underwent the procedure and had a good visual recovery, a normal-looking eyes, and cosmetic outcome with minimal morbidity after the treatment. Thank you.